Hey everybody.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hi.
Hey.
Join the community to learn simplified AI architectural concepts.
Join us in Bangalore,
London,
Redmond,
Shanghai,
São Paulo,
Toronto,
New York.
Join us in Sydney for an interactive workshop to learn how to build AI-powered applications.
My name's Liam Hampton.
This is Bruno.
My name is Nikia Narsiman.
la inteligencia artificial generativa está revolucionando el desarrollo de aplicaciones.
Learn how to integrate machine learning models, data pipelines, and cloud services to create robust, intelligent applications.
Learn how to build AI-powered applications
On Azure.
don't miss the wave, ride the wave. Join us.
Acompáñanos y transforma la manera en que tú desarrollas tus aplicaciones.
see you there.